Good morning students. Today we can see the chapter 8 linear equations in one variable. So one variable is nothing but any one letter is involving in this. Okay. The first question is find the value of unknown. Here the unknown letter is yes. So you have to find yes. So how to find yes means see here we have to find only yes, but in the LHS, this is LHS side, this is RHS side. In LHS side 24 is extra in that side, so you want to move this 24 to that side. If you move to another side means we can able to find yes, isn't it? So it is in what operation? 24 is in divide. Okay, so if you move to another side means it converted into opposite operation, which means divide opposite is multiplication, so it converted into multiplication. So your first step is just moving that 24 to another side, it become multiplication, divide become multiplication. Why we are doing like this means we are finding yes, so we have to find the unknown value yes. For that purpose we are moving that 24 to another side. Do you understand? So divide opposite is multiplication. So if you are moving this divide 24 to another side means it become into 24. So okay, now just to simplify this, minus s equal to, simplify this. Yes, in 6 table 24 it is possible. So 6 is 1 times, 24 is how many times in 6 table? 4 times. 6 4s are 24. So just to simplify this, 7 into 4. So see the denominator, it is 1 only, so no need to put that one. So minus s equal to 7 4s are what? 28. So we need the value of yes, not minus s. We need the value of yes. So this minus become plus abina, this plus become minus. So minus yes namakku vendam, we need to find only yes. So if you multiply by both the sides by minus means minus into minus plus, so plus become minus 28. So this is the value for the first question. Can you listen? In this C question, what is the variable involving here? That is, the variable is x, isn't it? So we have to find the value of x. So it is in denominator. No bother about that. Just we have to find the value of x. Just we have to move one side to another side means it will, the answer will come for the value of x. So listen here. See, in the LHS you have two terms. In the RHS we have only one term, which is constant term, isn't it? So in this or LHS we have two terms. So if we want to add the numerator means the denominator should be same to add, isn't it? So see here, the denominators are same or not? Yes, it is same only. So if the denominators are same means we can add the numerator. So 6 plus 10 is what? 16, isn't it? So denominator same means we can add the numerator. So it is same only. So just we added the numerator. So what is the next step? We have to find the value of x. That is our motive. That is the question. So it is in denominator. X is in denominator. Just we have to move to another side means it become numerator. Okay, it become to numerator. So what we have to do means 16, this constant if we move to another side means numerator become denominator. Just we interchange the value 3x and 256. Just we interchange the values of these two. Okay, numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator, isn't it? So now just we have to simplify the numerator and denominator. It is nothing but 16 in 16th table, 16 is 1 times and 256 is 16 times, which means 16 into 16 is what? 256. So in 16th table 256 how many times? 16 times. So only cancelled in 16th table. So 16 1 times, 256 is 16 times. So just take and write the simplified answer. 1 by 16 equal to 3x. So we want to get the value of x, isn't it? So the extra number 3 is involving in the RHS. Just நமக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து x எல்லாம் ஒரு சைடும், அதாவது LHS கொண்டு வந்துக்கலாம். this 1 by 16 நம்ம RHS கொண்டு வந்துக்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஜஸ்ட் இன்டர்சேஞ்ச், அதர்வைஸ் ரெண்டு வேல்யூ இருக்குது, ஒன்று வந்து இன்டர்சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். 3x equal to 1 by 16. We can use this way. Otherwise another one method, just நம்ம அந்த x value அந்த சைடே வச்சுட்டு just we can move this 3 to another side. அப்போ into 3 அந்த சைடு மூவ் பண்ணும்போது divide 3 மாறிடும். ஸோ இப்படி போட்டாலும் ஆன்சர் கரெக்டு தான். அதர்வைஸ் இன்டர்சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிவிட்டு இப்போ நம்ம எக்ஸ் வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா just this into 3 become divide 3. Both are same only. Clear? So just multiply it 1 by 6 3s are 18, remainder 1, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the value of x for the C quotient. Can I see the D quotient? In first quotient, just we have to find the value of unknown. Here the unknown variable is y. So 8 by y plus 3 equal to 10. For this equation, we have to find the value of y, isn't it? So as usual, the variable involving y is in denominator. So what we have to do? Just interchange these two numbers. So this numerator become denominator, this denominator become numerator. So the first step is 8 by 10 equal to y plus 3. So in the denominator அந்த சைடு மூவ் பண்ணும்போது நியூமரேட்டருக்கு போயிடுச்சு, இந்த நியூமரேட்டர் இந்த சைடு மூவ் பண்ணும்போது டினாமினேட்டருக்கு போயிடுச்சு. சரியா? So we can able to move left to right or right to left. Both are possible only. So okay, what is your next step? If it is possible means we can able to cancel. So 8 is 4 times in 2 table, 10 is 5 times in 2 table. So your simplified for this answer is 4 by 5 equal to y plus 3. So what is the next step? We have to find the value of y, no. So the extra term is involving in this RHS is plus 3. So we have to move to another side. We have to move this plus 3 to another side. So it become what? Plus opposite is minus 3. It become minus 3. Why we are moving this plus 3 to another side means we have to find the value of y. So அப்போ y மட்டும் நம்ம ஒரு சைடில் வச்சுக்கிட்டாதான் it is possible to find the value of y. Okay, so only we are moving this plus 3 to another side. It become minus 3. So see here, directly we can't able to subtract the numerator because the denominator should be same. If we want to subtract the numerator means the denominator should be same. But here it is not same. It is 1 only. So what we have to do means it is here it is 5, here it is 1. If you want, if you took the LCM for 5,1, we will get the answer as 5. So what we have to do means both the sides multiply by 5 means it is also converted into 5. The denominator become 5. So 4 by 5 minus 3 5s are 15. 15 by 5 equal to y. See here, what you have to do? Now the denominators are same. So for this denominator, subtract the numerator now. 4 minus 15 is what? So if you subtract 4 and 15 means the answer is 11. And what operation? So here 15 is the greatest number having minus sign. So minus 11 equal to y. If you divide these two numbers means we will get the answer as 2.2. If you divide 11 by 15 means we will get the answer 2.2 something. So this minus remains minus only. This fraction I converted into decimal. If you divide these two numbers means we will get this answer. So the value of y equal to minus 2.2. Now in first question we can see the E sum. 5 into a plus 7 plus 2 into 3a by 10 equal to 1. So this is our question. In this, what is the variable involving? Here the variable a is involving, isn't it? So we have to find the value of a for this question. So what is the first step? See here, for this term 5 is common. For this term 2 is common, isn't it? Just we have to move this 5 inside the bracket. Here we have 2 terms inside the bracket, you have 2 terms. So this 5 common 5 we have to move to 2 terms means just multiply 5 with the a term and also b term. So 5 into a is what? 5 into a is 5a plus, here we have plus, no, so plus 5 into 7. Just we have to multiply this 5 for both the terms. So 5 into a is 5a, 5 into 7 is 35. So we multiplied this 5 for both the terms. Okay, next what is the next symbol here? So put plus. Now this 2 is common for 3a. We have only one term, just we can multiply with that. So 2 3s are 6a by what number? Denominator is 10, so put as it is equal to 1. It is here, so you have to put. So the next step is any like terms are here. Yes, we have 5a and 6a, both are like terms. So both are in plus, isn't it? So just we have to add that both the terms. 5a plus 6a is what? 11a, isn't it? So 11a plus, so 35 is constant, by in denominator 10. See here, this 35 is numerator, this 10 is denominator. So இது ரெண்டையும் நம்ம வந்து add or subtract பண்ண முடியாது, isn't it? So equal to 1, as such you have to put. Okay, now we can't able to add these two because both are unlike. This is a term and this is a constant term, so we can't able to add. So what is the next step to find the value of a? Our concept is to find the value of a, isn't it? So first we have to move which term or which number we have to move first அப்படினா just divide. So divide தான் first நம்ம மூவ் பண்ணனும், next constant மூவ் பண்ணனும், then coefficient of a வை நம்ம மூவ் பண்ணனும், isn't it? So it is possible to find a by moving in order. So first we have to move this 10 to another side. Divide become multiplication. If you want to move 10 means it become multiplication. So 11a plus 35 equal to 1 into 10. Divide become multiplication. If you move one side to another side means it become multiplication. So simplify this. 11a plus 35 equal to 1 into 10 is 10 only. So what is the next step? We have to move this constant to another side. So 11a equal to 10. This plus 35 become plus, opposite is minus. So if you subtract these two means what is the answer? Minus 25. See here, this number, one number plus one number subtract means we have to subtract, isn't it? Then greatest number sign is minus. So minus 25. Now what you have to move? This 11. We have to move this 11 to another side. So 11 is in what operation means? Multiplication. One number and variable in between we have multiplication symbol. So a equal to minus 25 into become divide. So if you divide these two number means we will get the answer as 2.27. Do you understand? So this is the value of e. Can I see the F question? 3a plus 2 by 5 equal to 5. Here the variable involving is a. So we have to find the value of a. So one by one we have to move to another side to find the value of a, isn't it? First what we have to move? The division. We have to move this divide to another side. So 3a plus 2 equal to 5. So divide 5. In the divide 5 if you move to another side means it become into 5. So simplify that. 3a plus 2 equal to 5 5s are 25. Now constant term we have to move to another side. So 3a equal to 25 plus 2 become minus 2. So 3a equal to 25 minus 2 is nothing but 23. So next step. So 3 into a, it is nothing but 3a is nothing but 3 into a. There is only one term in this side. So to find the value of a we have to move this 3 to another side. So a equal to 23 into become, this into become divide 3. Okay, if you divide these two numbers means we will get the answer 7.66. So this is the value of a.